Hey, Lake of the Ozarks, Ryan Schaffner here with the Jason Wood All-Pro team, and today we're out at West Palms. This is an amazing condo that you're definitely going to want to check out. Let's go check out 234B. This 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath unit showcases over 1,700 square feet. Every bedroom is a suite, and of course you have a boat slip and a giant deck overlooking the beautiful lake views. If you'd like more information on this great condo, give us a call at 800-836-2005 and we'll schedule a private showing for you. Thank you and have a great day.